So, Oskar, I want to circle back. I think the second question I'd ask you to define for our listeners, what is Industry 4.0? And part of your response is you'd mentioned IoT, or the Internet of Things. So what can you share regarding understanding manufacturing and the Internet of Things? That is, maybe how can your business benefit from the Internet of Things in the context of MES and OEE and improving operational efficiencies?
Yeah, well, Internet of Things reaches everywhere now. Right? You hear the term with just about anything you do or use that is electronic. It's a term that better defines what we can already do today and where the future is going to take us. Right? You have things like Apple Home, Google Home, Watts, Alexas, Siri, all that stuff. Lots of apps connected to your cameras, your lights, thermostats, doors, windows, even to feeding your pet. The Internet of Things is all of that ability to do that. A simple way to think about IoT and manufacturing is just about control, like adjusting the thermostat in your home. It's just as easy to control, and I could control resources at my factory. So IoT opens the door to what you can control and gets even easier every single day on how you can do that. Now, it's interesting, funny, I look at the ability to change the temperature at my house, and then I think about how many times I actually need to change the temperature at my house. Is that ability going to make my company more efficient, more profitable? Right? So you do need to understand your goals and clearly define your path here.
Yeah.
Do your homework. As any of these, it's not a plug and play. So I've got IoT, I win. It's not that simple.
I think one of the things we're seeing, and really this is, I guess, part of the IoT idea, is more and more using mobile devices, right? So maybe your shop floor manager, your supervisors, or your plant managers can look at a dashboard on their mobile device at any time and see what the operational OEE is, for the latest production run, for instance. There's definitely more and more of that over the last few years, that ability to just be able to watch and manage operations from anywhere in the world. And, we've been on several projects where we've implemented, that level of business intelligence and integrated with the floor, those type of metrics and KPIs, and it can give you alerts and flags, right? So if you have a machine that's running at a certain rate and all of a sudden something happens or it stops and it's not supposed to, you get an alert to your phone, you can look and see what line is down and then react appropriately.
Pull in more data to help you figure that out.
Yeah, exactly.